about that Hive life. Yes, yes. Give me Hive. Give me Ivy. Give me Ivy. Give me Ivy Park. Welcome to Kendra's kitchen, where YouTube videos are made. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah. Guess who got the new Beyonce Ivy Park and Adidas collection? Me. So, okay, this is a long story now. So I tried at the pre-launch to get to like the pre-sale, like to get some of the pre-launch clothing, but I was unable to get it. I had glitches straight through, like it was horrible. Like the items were in my cart and I don't know what happened. Like they magically disappeared. It was like gone. So I said, hey, like I can't take the risk. Let me do whatever I have to do. So yesterday, listen, I had work and I was like, hey, I have to get off a little bit early because I have to go stand in the line and wait. So I waited. And guess who got several nice pieces? I mean, of course. The Beyonce freak, yeah, I am. And let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so first item on the list, I got a tam because you know I live in Canada in winter. Over here sort of gets a little bit chilly, so they only had like 2 tams left. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna need this in my life. So this is the one I had in my hand, and then I met a guy. He was on the line and he had this one in his hand. He was like, you know what, I don't really wear tams like that. And he was like, I don't like it, so do you want it? And I was like, yeah, I'll take it, because there's only like limited items. So I got this tam here. The tams went for $32. We call it in the Bahamas a tam, but it's actually called a beanie. So it says Ivy Park, Adidas, Ivy Park, Adidas, Ivy Park, and Adidas. And this is how the tags look, by the way. Super dope. Yeah, the thing inside, it's pretty simple. So I got 2 of those, and I got an Ivy Park t-shirt, just like a casual t-shirt. I'm probably gonna wear it oversized because most of us stuff like run really big. So here you have, I think on one of the sleeves, you would have the Ivy Park little logo here. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there, it's on the arm part of it, and yeah, it's oversized, so it has like a little tail at the end of it. If you really look, there's a tail, so that's like a little tail at the end, which I like because I like my shirts to fit a little bit longer in the back because I got body. I thought this was really nice find. It was a really nice find. So I also grabbed the oversized jacket. So here's the oversized jacket. This is how it fits. This is probably gonna be the only one I probably try on. This fits really snazzy, goes well with the outfit, and of course this is like this is the back of it. And has the Ivy Park logo there too, right? The track jacket is pretty cool because like some of the parts, like they snap away, so you can like take off the arms if you would want to. Like you can take off the arm and you can like make this jacket into a vest. So yeah, like it's pretty dope. Ivy Park is there. You can like snap the whole part away, so it's really dope. I like it. Has a zipper, pockets, And it actually opens up at the back. So if you like want like to keep it open at the back, that's fine. But it's so cool. And it's breathable fabric too, right? Yeah. Okay, and then I also got a jogger. This is the boxing. This is how it's boxed. It has like another box over it. So I can just take this off basically. And you know how normal shoe boxes will open like sideways? Like this one doesn't. So on the box they have our Ivy Park. So it says Ivy Park, if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it on the box there. And then you have Ivy Park. And then this is also the night jogger that I got. So let me show you. So it opens inside here. Open it up. Oh, 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 oh. It's a little heavy. These shoes are heavy. Thought it would have been light, but they're pretty heavy. This is how it looks. So there you have a lacing at the back of the shoe. Lacing at the front. So this is used to like tighten it up. And then yeah, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. I like it. And this is how the inside look. The soles feel pretty soft. Yeah. And in the box, you also, like on the other sneaker, they have like this tag. I don't know what this is actually for, but it says Ivy Park on there. Yeah. But in these ones, I would normally wear a size. I would normally wear a size 9, but I had to get like a size 8. Yeah, so these are fitting. It's fitting, but it's a little bit wide. So I would advise you to like adjust the front straps so that you get a little bit more tightness in the front area part. But overall, they're pretty nice. They're pretty dope. They're solid. I love them. And the Ivy Park. The Ivy Park. Okay, guys. I hope you guys love my box opening of the Ivy Park collection. I can't wait to wear them. Yeah, I just can't wait to try these on. Can't wait to try these shit on. Can't wait to rock these. But thanks for watching. I love my Ivy Park collection. It's like, it's Beyonce. Like, she can do. Love you, B. We love you. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.